This is Anthony's version of our trip to Merida. Here we are getting ready. Disaster. We're on the port. This is the longest port in the world. It's so long that you have to take a bus. Now we're on the bus. They make you wear a mask. We took a little private tour of Merida. They took us into the city. So we're into the city now. It had been raining, so it's flooded out. Got on this other little bus. He took us around, showed us the sights. We saw cenote in the parking lot of the Costco. This is their source of fresh water. There were statues. We basically just kind of drove around. He put us out in the city square, and now we're walking around. There's Tina. This is the city square. People just being people. Pretty much the same as everywhere else, except they're a little more relaxed. That guy has the coconut chop down. Anthony just makes friends with everybody everywhere he goes. Old building. Going to the little courtyard. Very pretty place.